A public election meeting was held in Ampura market of Ramchandra Ghat on Tuesday evening in support of Maharani Kirti Devi. Minister Animesh Debarma, ADC EM Suhail Debarma, MLA Ranjit Debarma, MLA Safna Debarma, and ex-MLA Prashanta Debarma were present in the meeting. On this day in the meeting, EM Suhail Debarma criticized the CPIM and Congress party in his speech. Moreover, he urged everyone to vote in BJP symbol in the election.
Right person, right job, obviously party, see the read expense help Jadi Maharani Kirti Debarma kebang boleh kerja kaya segi parlimen apa tunai, tapi agak kebang mah bersihkan beli agak Chhattisgarh Borno bagi pun tidak, jadi sendiri, no pagi proses sistem payah, tam kebin mo, soalnya mo terkait bagi pun islah, jadi, betul tak? No rajan putih orang putan orang Islam ya, soalnya mo terkait no yang tadi cakap ni, amai borogai, goyang ada kali ada musuh saya, betul tak? Musuhnya di sana tuh ibarat kayak goyang kan awak, goyang kan ada saya, berkhasiban tangan itu, goyang kan ada saya, tangan, jangan terbenar goyang kan ada saya, senang baru senang macam ni. Anu sengsi Maharashtra Sumarino, seng kebang vote ribu, jadi salah India ni job tu ni highest margin tu berke, seng parlimen patunai ya bro. Jadi jam implement ada tangan ni dapat lagi kaya. Asal itu, jatuh hambai, bukan ayo tu, di promote ayo tu, IPF ayo tu, BJP ayo tu, teh Maharani Kirti Debarma kebang boleh kerja parlimen patunai tu.
Reported by Biplab from Kuwait, Nikhorang.